Hey friends, so if you really want to create a YouTube channel but you don't want to show your face, do not worry because today I'm going to show you my YouTube channel and you can see I was able to make up to $1,000 without even showing my face on this platform. So what you need to do right now, you have to listen to me very carefully so you can also start a YouTube channel and start making money, reasonable amount of money, up to $2,000 a month, $3,000 a month. So let's take a closer look to my channel right here. Over a million views within 28 days. I've made more than $935 on the platform. And I'm going down here, as you can see this video. Only within 3 hours of posting this video, it generated more than 80,000 views within 3 hours. And the other video, it got more than 25,000 views, and the other one, it got more than 17,000 views. So you can see all these views that I'm getting, more than 100k views every single day without even showing my face. So all of these videos that I've showed you in this channel, I never showed my face, and I'm getting at least 200k views every single day. So you can also learn my strategies on how to do this, and I'm pretty sure that if you're going to follow everything that I'm going to say in this video, you are also going to have a very successful YouTube channel this year 2025. So what we're going to do right now is do the following. In today's video, I want to tell you you can also start a YouTube channel, and that YouTube channel can be very successful by doing very simple thing that I'm going to tell you in this video. But also there are other people who are making up to $5,000 without showing their face. But I'm going to be honest with you, I just made this amount of money as I showed you in this video, so you can also be inspired and start making content on YouTube. I know a lot of people are asking right now, like, if I want to create a YouTube channel, what exactly I am going to post on my YouTube channel and what exactly I'm going to be talking about on my YouTube channel. So listen to me very carefully, and I think if you're going to do everything that I'm going to tell you in this video, you're going to have successful YouTube by the end of this year. So let's dive in and see how you're going to start this and how much you're going to make, and I will tell you everything necessary in this video. So let's now dive in. Alright, so our very first way for you to start making money on YouTube is posting rain videos. I know you have been on YouTube and you have seen a video like this. These videos, they are making reasonable amount of money, and there are a lot of people who are watching video like this. So it's very important for you to understand that if you really don't want to show your face on YouTube, you can go ahead, create your YouTube account and start posting rain videos. And I'm not just saying this, I am also posting the rain videos, but my channel is still new. But as you can see on my laptop right here, these are the rain videos that I recorded at my home place, and you can see these are beautiful videos, and I am posting these videos on my channel. I really cannot say anything about this now, but I will tell you, I will tell you after 2 weeks like how this channel is doing. But for now, I just posted more than 5 videos and it's doing very amazing. So if you really want to make money, like reasonable amount of money without showing your face on YouTube, all you want to do is go ahead and start recording rain videos, then post on YouTube channel. People are coming to watch these videos. There are a lot of people, they love watching videos like this. So this is a easy way for you to start making money just by posting rain videos without showing your face. So let's go to the next one. Alright, so I always love to be transparent, and right now I'm gonna show you how I made more than $65,000 just by talking about famous people. So if you also gonna create a YouTube channel and start talking about these artists and other famous people on your YouTube channel can generate enough amount of money for you. Just for me, I generated more than $65,000. As you can see right here, this is my other YouTube channel, which is big channel, and it got me this plaque just by talking about famous people. So if you have time and you think you can do this, you may want to go ahead, because it's very easy to talk about these famous people, like how they're doing. It can be artists, it can be footballers, and any famous people. You just go ahead, talk about these people, and you can start making money on your YouTube channel. So what you're gonna do is that you're gonna download different pictures of them or short videos about them, then post these videos on your YouTube channel. But before posting, you have to make sure that you add your voiceover. It can be your own voice or it can be AI voices. So for you to get AI voices, you may want to go to this website which is called 11 Lab. Write anything that you want and your words can be turned into voice. Edit this voice a little bit, then post it on your YouTube channel. So it just depends if you're willing to speak just for yourself, or you can use AI voice. Then post these videos on your YouTube channel. Keep posting on your YouTube channel and you can see great success on your YouTube channel. But for me, I just put my own voiceover and it made me a reasonable amount of money, as you can see here, $65,000 just by talking without showing my face on the channel. So let's go to the next one. So this next one is very interesting. Let's say that you have any skills. It can be how to teach people like how to use ChatGPT, or you want to teach people how to use given application. It can be KineMaster, it can be any editing application, or if you know anything, you may want to go ahead and start teaching people like how to use ChatGPT. So you take your phone and screen record your phone, like how you use it, and post it directly to YouTube on how you're teaching people to use a given application, how you're teaching people to use ChatGPT. Videos like this we call tutorial videos. These videos, a lot of people are watching these videos, and these are evergreen content. That means if you're posting today type of content like this, a lot of people are going to watch video like this in a very, very long time. So it's way better for you to go ahead to teach people on how to use a given application, on how to use anything. So if you're really good at that, you want to go ahead and start posting video like this on YouTube channel, because I've seen people doing this and they are receiving a reasonable amount of views. And the good thing is that people are going to watch your content over and over again. So let's move to the next one. Posting videos about relationship advice. The good thing about this is that you cannot use your voice if you don't want to, but it's okay if you want to use your voice. But if you don't want to, you can go ahead and you can ask ChatGPT for any relationship advice, and ChatGPT is always coming up with good answers. So right after getting these ChatGPT answers, like what are the good relationship advices, you can copy this answer and directly you have to go to this platform which is called 11 Lab. So you have to paste all these words that you have taken from ChatGPT, and you can turn these words into voice. Right after generating AI voice, all you want to do right now, you need to have these good videos. And how to get these free good videos, you have to go to this website which is called Pixels or Pixabay. These platforms are going to provide for you the good videos that you can edit with this voice that you have taken from 11 Lab. Then you edit it together, then post this on your YouTube channel. So if you keep posting video like that, a lot of people are coming to your channel and start watching video like that. At the end of the time, you can get paid. I've seen a lot of channels like this. They're making at least $1,000 up to $2,000. A lot of people, they love to know, they love to hear about relationship advice. So all you want to do right now, you have to go to this platform and see how much you're gonna make just by doing that. We have a lot of AI tools right now that can help us to simplify the work and start making money. So let's move to the next one. A lot of people, they want to have YouTube channel, but they always think like, what I'm going to be posting on my YouTube channel, because I really don't have any content to post on my YouTube channel, but I really wish to be posting on a YouTube channel. So I'm coming with this trick that you can start using today, and this trick is what helped me to make more than $1,000 every single month just by using this trick. So you have to be the person who goes on Instagram or X and see what is trending currently. So you have to jump on these trending topics. These trending topics, these are topics that can generate enough views for you on YouTube. So if you see anything that is trending right now, you can create a story about that and post on YouTube and see how many viewers you're going to get. So I'm going to tell you a little example about me. On this channel that I showed, like I was getting and I was receiving a lot of views, more than 200k views every single day. On this channel, I was talking about this Korean band which is called BTS. But before that, I didn't know anything about BTS. I didn't know all these members and all that, but I started to learn about them just for a week, and I started to post videos about BTS just for 1 week. The result that I got just by talking about BTS within a week is all this money that you see. I was able to start making more than $1,000 in a month just by talking about BTS, because they are most popular, and a lot of people, they need to know like what is really going on their band and all that. So you have to choose these popular topics, you have to choose this trending topic, so that you can get a lot of views in a very short time. So I can encourage you, if you want to talk about famous people, just make sure that they are really famous and they have this fan base that they always need to know what is really going on for their favorite artist. So if you're going to do that, it's very easy for you to generate enough views, because these fans are always going to search about their favorite artist. At the end of the time, your videos can be recommended and you can start making a reasonable amount of money. And for me, I never regret talking about BTS. So you just have to make sure that you choose someone who is very powerful, and he or she has a lot of fans, so that your videos can get a lot of views as well. So this is what I did, and it made me succeed on that. So if you're going to follow all these things that I've mentioned in this video, I really hope that you're also going to be so successful on your YouTube channel. But I just want to say a little thing before I go out. I want to say right now that YouTube can take some time. You don't have to expect for fast result. What I want to say is, you can just give yourself like 6 months of posting consistently. Post every single week and see what is really going to happen. Because if you're going to post consistently, your videos are going to be recommended. Slowly, your channel is going to be big channel. So I don't want to say right now that do not give up, because sometimes if you are new on YouTube, you can be posting for the whole week without receiving even one view. But if you keep doing that for more than 6 months, I'm pretty sure that you're going to get at least 1,000 subscribers, so that you can start making money on YouTube. But this is the right time for you to start YouTube, because we have too many opportunities right now. We have these AI tools which can help us to make good content, so you don't have to wait. You can start right now. And the only channel that I decided to show my face is this channel. Now, up to now, I have more than 4 or 5 channels, I think, and they're doing amazing. Others are making at least $100, others are making at least $200. The big channel are making at least $1,000 every single month. So I want to say right now that YouTube is a really amazing platform that can pay you, can change your life in a very short time. So you just don't have to give up. You have to go all in and start making money on YouTube. And I wish you all the best. So thanks so much for watching my video. I hope to see you next time.